Today, we're diving into something different but super exciting: the TOZO OpenEgo headphones. These are not your typical earbuds that plug into your ears and block out the world. Nope, these babies are open ear, letting you enjoy your music while staying aware of your surroundings. So, stick around if you're curious whether these can compete with your standard in-ear buds, or if they're just a gimmick. You're in for a detailed, honest review. I've been using these for a week now, and I'm here to give you the lowdown. Let's see what you get when you unbox the TOZO OpenEgo headphones. First off, the packaging is pretty neat. You get this compact, sturdy cardboard box with all the essential details and some cool images of the earbuds printed on it. It's not too flashy, but it gets the job done. When you open it, you'll find a white charging case, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a pair of ear braces for added stability, and an easy-to-follow user manual. Everything is neatly organized, making it easy to get started right away. Now that we've got everything out of the box, let's move on to the design and build quality. These earbuds sport a modern, minimalist, stylish, and functional look. They come in two color options: classic black and sleek white. I've got the white ones, and they look pretty sharp and clean. The earbuds are lightweight, weighing just 11 grams each, and they sit comfortably on your ears without causing any strain, even during extended use. The open ear design helps you stay aware of your surroundings, making them perfect for outdoor activities like running or cycling. They also come with silicone ear braces that help keep them secure, even during intense workouts. One of the standout features is how well balanced the earbuds feel on your ears. They don't put any pressure on your ear canal, which makes them incredibly comfortable to wear for extended periods. You might even forget you're wearing them. They're that comfortable. The earbuds are designed for long-term durability. The build quality is solid, and the components are well assembled, reducing the risk of breakage or malfunction over time. The charging case is compact and feels solid in hand. Its matte finish gives it a premium look and feel. The case features a USB-C port for charging and an LED display on the front that shows the remaining battery life, which is super handy. However, one thing to note is that the white color option tends to get dirty quickly, so you might need to clean it more often to keep it looking fresh. The TOZO OpenEgo earbuds excel in connectivity, offering a seamless and hassle-free experience. They are equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, which ensures a stable and efficient connection to your devices. Pairing the earbuds is incredibly simple. Open the case, and they automatically enter pairing mode. You'll see them appear in your Bluetooth settings within a few seconds, and a quick tap connects them. The TOZO app enhances the functionality of these earbuds even further. Within the app, you can customize the touch controls to suit your preferences, update the firmware, and choose from 16 different EQ modes to tailor the sound to your liking. One handy feature is the battery status indicator. Both the charging case and the app show the remaining battery life, so you always know how much playtime you have left. Sound quality is a crucial aspect of any earbuds, and the TOZO OpenEgo earbuds deliver a solid performance in this department. These earbuds have 16.2mm dynamic drivers, larger than many conventional earbuds. This size advantage allows them to produce clear, high-fidelity sound with a good balance of highs, mids, and lows. This is also enhanced with TOZO Origix acoustics technology. The highs are crisp and clear, providing excellent detail in treble-heavy tracks. This makes listening to genres like classical or acoustic music a real pleasure, as you can hear the intricate details and nuances in the sound. The mids are well balanced and present, ensuring that vocals and mid-range instruments come through clearly. The lows are surprisingly robust for open-ear earbuds. While they may not have the deep, thumping bass that in-ear or over-ear models can provide, they still offer a satisfying level of bass that enhances the overall listening experience. Given their open-ear design, the TOZO OpenEgo earbuds provide a unique listening experience. They allow you to hear ambient sounds from your surroundings while still enjoying your audio. This is particularly useful for outdoor activities where awareness of your environment is important. However, it's worth noting that while the sound quality is impressive, it might not be as bass-heavy as in-ear or over-ear models. The open design reduces the bass response slightly compared to earbuds that create a seal in your ear canal. The latency is minimal for those who enjoy watching videos or gaming, ensuring that audio and visual elements stay in sync. This makes these earbuds versatile for both casual and more intensive use. For those who like to tweak their audio settings, the TOZO app provides 16 different EQ modes, allowing you to customize the sound to your liking. The TOZO OpenEgo earbuds perform quite well regarding noise cancellation and call quality. While they don't offer active noise cancellation like higher-end models, they feature dual microphone noise cancellation technology. This helps to reduce background noise during calls, ensuring that your voice comes through clearly. The dual microphones are strategically placed to capture your voice accurately while filtering out unwanted sounds. The calls are impressively clear, and the person on the other end will be able to hear you without any issues. During my testing, I found that the call quality was consistently good. The earbuds kept the conversation clear, even in moderately noisy settings. The open-ear design means you can still hear your surroundings, which is beneficial if you need to stay aware of what's happening around you while on a call. Now, let's talk about battery life and charging. The TOZO OpenEgo earbuds have a compact charging case that stores them and keeps them powered up on the go. The case has a 600 mAh battery capacity, which provides up to 30 hours of total playback time. This breaks down to about 10 hours on a single earbud charge, with an additional 20 hours provided by the charging case. Charging the earbuds is straightforward. The case features a USB-C port for fast and efficient charging, and it takes around 2 hours to charge the case fully. Each earbud takes about 1.5 hours to charge completely when placed in the case. One neat feature is the LED display on the front of the case, which shows the remaining battery life, so you always know when to recharge. However, it's worth noting that the 30-hour playtime is based on using each earbud separately. When used together, you're looking at around 15 hours of total use from a fully charged case, which is still quite impressive. Let's end the review with price and value for money. The TOZO OpenEgo earbuds are positioned as an affordable option in the market, and they certainly deliver a lot of value for their price. Typically, these earbuds retail around $99.99, but they are often available on sale for significantly less, sometimes as low as $49.99. This makes them one of the most cost-effective choices for open-ear earbuds. Considering their features and performance, these earbuds provide excellent value. They offer robust features, including Bluetooth 5.3 for reliable connectivity, a long battery life with a handy charging case, and good sound quality with customizable EQ settings through the TOZO app. The added benefits of dual microphone noise cancellation for clear calls further enhance their appeal. Ready to get your own pair of TOZO OpenEgo earbuds? Check out the links below to purchase on AliExpress and Amazon.